Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Comic Freak for Life with a deck profile of my newly created wind-ups with no tour guides as of now. So you people that don't have resources to get tour guides, here's a deck list for you. With the new Battle Pack Epic Dawn coming out, I should be able to get some tour guides. So yeah, but until then I'm going to be running this. It's been testing alright. So first we start off with 3 wind-up rabbits. It's an amazing card, shot up to $90, came back down, it's around 40 now. But you just get rid of it, it's quick effect to banish it. So they torrential, trap hole, anything like that. You can move it away from harm's way. Alright, next card. The main basic skeleton of wind-ups. 3 wind-up rats for the loop. 3 wind-up shark, can make it level 3 or level 5. 3 magician, because without tour guides you need 3 to get off the wind-up shark and wind-up magician into the loop. 1 hunter, so that you can do the loop. 3 effect veilers, because with no more priority, effect veiler is needed against Card D, Dino Rabbit, Rescue Rabbit, Tour Guide, lots of stuff. 1 Sangan, it's good to search pretty much everything in the deck. And 1 Gores, because makes big plays and wins games. So that's it for the monsters. And onto the spells, we have 3 Wind-Up Factory. You need 3, because without tour guides, helps you get off the loop, helps you search, it gives you a lot of pluses. 3 MSTs, because you need to get rid of back row to make sure that you can loop or do anything you need to do. 2 instant fusions also helps you with the loop. This deck, a big part of it is the loop. If you can get it off, you are in a good position. Then staples, reborn, dark hole, heavy storm, Book of Moon. I personally always think that Book of Moon has been a staple. I think it should be considered a staple, although some people may disagree with me. I still think it is. It's an amazing card. Mind Control, with level 3s and 4s, you can exceed into a lot of things. Pot of Avarice, because if you get this in the loop off, you get rid of their hand, you're in a very, very good position. And 1 Smash-A-Gun, just to get rid of anything that you might need to get over, that you can't get over normally, like Cyber Dragon or something like that. And that's it for the spells. On to the traps. We run the Solemn Brigade with Solemn Judgment and 2 Solemn Warnings. 2 Bottomless with the loss of priority, pretty good. And 2 Torrential Tributes, also to get rid of lots of monsters. So if we were running tour guides in here, I probably would take out 1 Torrential Tribute, because if you're running tour guides, you would want to put in a tour bus as well. So I would need 4 cards, so 3 for the tour guides and 1 for the tour bus. So probably take out a torrential. Let's see, probably take out a torrential, an instant fusion. That's 2 cards. 1 wind-up factory. Get rid of 1 of those. That's 3 cards, and then probably get rid of 1 magician. So yeah, I would get rid of, if you're putting in tour guides, get rid of a magician, instant fusion, a torrential, and a wind-up factory. And so yep, that's it. Hopefully I can do a profile with tour guides when I get them. And yeah, it's a really good deck. I've heard that people that don't have tour guides, they play it and then they hate wind-ups because it's a lot easier to get off, more ways to get the loop off with tour guides. But hopefully I'll be getting those in the next 2 weeks with the Battle Pack coming out, so it won't really be a problem for me. But until then, here's a tour guideless version of wind-ups. The extra deck and the side deck is pretty much up to you, so I don't really care to put it on camera, because it's a matter of preference. The other cards besides like the Zen Mighties and stuff. So yeah, that's it. Wind-ups with no tour guides, and the option of taking these out to put in the tour guides and tour bus. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out, YouTube.